Have you ever wondered what if the pain you are feeling, the sleepless nights, the sudden losses, the heavy silence in your chest aren't punishments but warnings, whispers from Allah gently shaking your soul awake because He knows your time is running out? You feel distant from Him. You pray, but your heart feels hollow. You smile, but the world feels heavy. The dunya keeps giving you pleasures, but none of them can fill the emptiness inside. You fall into the same sins again and again, and Allah doesn't stop you, not because He's ignoring you, but because He's waiting for you to see yourself. And one day you realize something's gone. Your tears don't fall in sujood anymore. Your heart feels numb in salah. The silence in your soul is louder than ever. That silence is not absence. It's Allah's way of saying, you have drifted too far, come back. Sometimes Allah withdraws the sweetness of faith not to punish you, but to show you how lost you have become. He lets you taste emptiness so you will realize nothing fills your heart like Him. He takes away comfort to lead you back to the only source of peace, Himself. Then everything around you starts to fall apart. Doors close, plans crumble, hearts break, and you whisper, why is this happening to me? But maybe it's not life falling apart. Maybe it's Allah tearing down the walls you build between you and Him because He loves you too much to let you sleep through your own destruction. So He shakes your world. He takes away what you idolize. He places pain where you used to find comfort until you finally stop looking around and start looking up. Every heartbreak, every delay, every unanswered dua is a message written in divine ink. I still love you and I want you back because Allah doesn't abandon the heart that still ache for Him. He uses pain to purify them. So when your world shakes, don't say, why me? Say, Ya Allah, guide me. Maybe the disaster you fear is actually your greatest mercy, the moment Allah chose to wake your soul before it was too late. Right now, you still have time. Every beat of your heart is a sign that Allah hasn't closed your door. Every breath is an invitation to return. Don't wait for the final warning to become your final breath. So, fall in sujood, cry, repent, let your soul run back to the one who never stopped calling you. Because these signs you see, the pain you feel, the emptiness you carry, they might be your final mercy before it's too late.